How to enable and get the dark mode on eBay app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dark mode on eBay app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to eBay. Now go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, and then all what you have to do is go down and click on the settings option. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is click on theme right here. Now click on dark, and now my eBay is on the dark mode. And if you want to turn it off and get the light mode, just go back and click on theme again and choose light. It's very easy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.